Ever feel like your startup's banking is more complicated than your actual business? Like you're juggling spreadsheets, deciphering fees, and wishing for a financial command center that actually gets you? You're not alone. For many founders, especially in those crucial early stages, managing finances can feel like navigating a minefield blindfolded. You're laser-focused on building your dream, iterating on your product, and winning over customers. The last thing you need is clunky, outdated banking slowing you down or costing you precious resources. Think about it. You're probably using a patchwork of personal accounts, maybe a basic business account that doesn't quite fit, and a growing list of digital tools for payments, invoicing, and expense tracking. It's a recipe for errors, wasted time, and a serious headache. You deserve better. Your startup deserves banking that's as agile, innovative, and forward-thinking as you are. That's where Relay comes in. Now, you might be asking, okay, another banking platform? What makes this one different? And that's a fair question. The financial landscape is crowded, and promises of simplicity often fall short. But Relay isn't just another bank, it's built specifically for startups like yours, understanding the unique challenges and opportunities you face. Imagine a banking experience designed to streamline your cash flow, provide crystal clear visibility into your spending, and integrate seamlessly with the tools you already use and love. Imagine saying goodbye to hidden fees, tedious manual processes, and the constant frustration of trying to piece together your financial picture. That's the promise of Relay. It's banking made simple, powerful, and built to fuel your growth. So, how do you actually get started with Relay and unlock this simplified banking experience for your startup? Let's dive into the practical steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility and gather your information. Before you jump in, it's essential to ensure your startup meets Relay's eligibility criteria. Generally, they cater to incorporated businesses like LLCs, C Corp, and S Corp, based in the United States. While specific requirements might evolve, having your business legally registered is a primary prerequisite. Next, gather the necessary information. This typically includes your employer identification number, EIN. This is your business's equivalent of a social security number. Personal information for beneficial owners. You'll need details like names, addresses, dates of birth, and social security numbers for individuals who own 25% or more of the company. Business formation documents. You might need to provide your articles of incorporation or formation documents. Your business address and contact information. Having these documents and details readily available will make the application process much smoother and faster. Step 2. Head to the Relay website and start your application. The journey begins on the Relay website. Look for a clear Sign Up or Get Started button. The application process is typically online and designed to be user-friendly. You'll likely be guided through a step-by-step form where you'll input the information you gathered in the previous step. Be prepared to provide details about your business, its operations, and its ownership structure. Step 3. Securely connect your existing business accounts, optional but recommended. One of Relay's strengths is its ability to provide a holistic view of your finances. During the application process or shortly after, you'll likely have the option to securely connect your existing business bank accounts and other financial tools. This integration allows Relay to pull in your historical data, giving you a more comprehensive understanding of your cash flow and spending patterns from day one. It also sets the stage for utilizing Relay's powerful features for managing all your finances in one place. Step 4. Verify your identity and business information. As a regulated financial institution, Relay is required to verify your identity and the legitimacy of your business. This is a standard procedure to ensure security and compliance. You might be asked to upload copies of identification documents, like driver's licenses or passports, for the beneficial owners. Relay may also use third-party services to verify the information you provide. This step is crucial for establishing trust and security for everyone. Step 5. Fund your Relay accounts. Once your application is approved and your identity is verified, you'll need to fund your new Relay accounts. Relay typically offers various options for transferring funds, such as ACH transfers from your existing bank accounts. Consider your immediate financial needs and the initial operating capital you want to have readily available within your Relay ecosystem. Remember, Relay allows you to open multiple checking and savings accounts, which can be incredibly helpful for organizing your funds for different purposes, e.g., operating expenses, payroll, savings. Step 6. Explore Relay's features and integrations. This is where the real magic of Relay starts to unfold. Take some time to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its key features. Multiple checking and savings accounts. Organize your money like a pro by creating dedicated accounts for different needs. This makes budgeting, tracking expenses, and planning for the future much easier. Relay Visa debit cards. Get physical and virtual debit cards for yourself and your team, with customizable spending limits and controls. This provides greater transparency and helps prevent overspending. Bill Pay. Say goodbye to manual check writing and endless online transfers. Relay's Bill Pay feature allows you to schedule and pay bills electronically, saving you time and reducing errors. Integrations. Relay seamlessly integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero, streamlining your bookkeeping and reconciliation processes. Imagine your transactions automatically flowing into your accounting system, a huge time saver. Real-time insights and reporting. Gain a clear understanding of your cash flow with intuitive dashboards and customizable reports. Track your income, expenses, and balances in real time, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Team management. If you have employees, Relay allows you to easily manage team members, assign roles and permissions, and issue debit cards with specific spending limits. No hidden fees. One of Relay's standout features is its commitment to transparency. Say goodbye to those unexpected and often frustrating fees that can eat into your bottom line. Step 7. Start using Relay for your day-to-day banking needs. Once you're comfortable with the platform, start using Relay for your daily banking activities. Pay vendors, manage payroll, either directly or through integrated payroll providers, track expenses, and monitor your cash flow. The more you integrate Relay into your startup's financial operations, the more you'll realize its power and simplicity. It becomes your central hub for all things finance, providing a clear and organized overview of your company's financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.